Morning students. Today we will take the chapter of class 6 Gopal and the Hilsa fish. As it is very clear from the title that this story is about Gopal and Hilsa fish. Now in this story you can see that this is written not as stories are written. This is in comic form. And you are able to understand this because you also read comics. So I am telling you that this story, do you know what is comic book? A comic book contains stories told mainly through pictures, and it is in the form of comic. Pictures are given on the one side and dialogues are given both. Why? Do you know why this? Because in this way we are easily understand the story. Gopal, this is the story of a person, boy, and the Hilsa fish, as it is clear from the title. Now I am telling you the story of the Gopal and the Hilsa fish. It was the season for Hilsa fish. Fishmongers only thought about Hilsa fish. They caught and sold them in the market. All people discussed only about Hilsa fish. They didn't know anything, whether they are householders, courtiers, one day a courtier went into the court and he showed a Hilsa fish to the king. Now, when the king saw Hilsa fish, he became very angry and he said that this is not right, that in the court you discuss about Hilsa fish. Now courtier became sad. The king realized what was his mistake. Gopal could not stop anyone from talking Hilsa fish. The king said that you could not stop anything from talking Hilsa fish. Gopal took it as a challenge and agreed and said, and the king said that you have to bring a fish to the palace without anyone as king asking a word about it. You will bring a fish into the palace, but nobody will talk about the Hilsa fish. Now Gopal accepted this challenge. A few days later, his wife asked, "Why is your face half shaven?" Because Gopal did his face half shaven. He replied that he was dressing up to buy a fish, and sometimes he also covered with ashes. Again, when his wife asked him, he said that he is becoming ready to buy a fish. The wife thought that he became mad, and now he also wore torn clothes. Now the wife asked that your look is very peculiar. Peculiar means strange. And in this way you are going to the market. It is not good. But he dressed himself and went to the market to buy a huge means very big Hilsa fish. He bought the Hilsa fish and walked towards the palace. The persons who saw him said that he was a mad person. Some person says that comical, some says mystic. Now, at last, he was able to reach the court. Now, he asked the guards that he wanted to see the king. But when guards saw his appearance, they did not allow him to go to the palace. Now Gopal started dancing, crying, and he was crying loudly. The king also heard this, and now he asked, "What is the matter?" Now the king ordered to bring Gopal to the court. The king asked why he was dressing up in such a peculiar way. Now Gopal explained and introduced himself that he was Gopal. Now he also told him that when he was coming towards the palace, nobody spoke about Hilsa fish. Everyone attracted towards his peculiar look. Now the king remembered the challenge he had given to Gopal and congratulated him, and he said that you have changed impossible to possible. So now students, what is the message of this story? You are able to understand. Nothing is impossible in the world. If people want, they can do anything. Only important is your willpower, intelligence, firmness and decision. So you are able to understand the story. Now I am telling you some words meaning which are used. Householders, the head of the household. The head of the household. Smearing, mark messily or carelessly with a greasy or stick. Huge, very big. Guilty, at fault. Temper, mood, disgraceful, shameful, rakes, torn, mistake, difficult to explain. Ridiculous, humorous, challenge, a call to prove something. Fishmongers, traders in fish, courtiers, members of royal, downcast, sad. So student able to understand this. Thank you.